Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of True Legend. Today we are here in Seven Sisters in London Borough of Haringey in North London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, going from the sky, as you can see right here. We're just going to do a 360 photo, then we're just going to zip around the area. So yeah, we're here in North London and yeah, Seven Sisters. It's a really hot day today. I'm standing in the shade right now, so we don't get too much of the heat. Then we're just going to zip around this area. So we're going to start off with a 360 photo in this area. I'm going to go towards the station area to do a 360 photo there, because I think it's better to do it there. And then we'll just do the 360 photo in this area. So I'm just going to stay in this height, and then we're just going to do 360 photo, then we're just going to zip around the Seven Sisters. So alright, 360 photo is now complete. I'm now just going to zip around this area. So it's bare hot today, literally 34 degrees, crazy. So in this weather, I was actually thinking, should I do a drone flight today, because it might be too hot, but I thought as long as I keep hydrated, I've got a cold bottle of water, I've got a cap, got a fan. Like I said, you know, every time I fly my drone, I literally don't like flying on cloudy days. So of course we do get cloudy days in the UK, but I always wait for sunny days. So I make it out as if every day is sunny in the UK, which is crazy, because I publish a drone flight every 2 days. Because I do a lot of them, I do some of them on the same day as I do the other one. Like I just come from Holloway. I just done a drone flight in Holloway, and now I'm here in Finsbury Park in the London Borough of Haringey, and now I'm here, Finsbury Park, and I'll make it out as if, because even though I upload every day, even though I upload every second day, it's as if I upload it. It's like as if I fly on every sunny day in the UK, and I make it out as if it's sunny every day, which is crazy. So we're going to just go up to this area, just going to explore Seven Sisters. So we're near Tottenham. I haven't flown in Tottenham. I mean, I've flown near Tottenham Hill, but I haven't flown in this area before. So just going to go down towards this area, down here. It's a nice area to fly. So literally, I try my best to fly on sunny days, so I'll make it out as if every day in the UK is sunny. But no, we do get cloudy days. A lot of the days are cloudy. It's just that we're lucky we get these days, and we do get a lot of sunny days here, to be honest. But I do it when it's sunny and no wind. So if it's windy, then I don't fly it, and if it's cloudy and windy, then I definitely don't fly it. And if it's cloudy but it's not too windy, then I still don't fly it, because the footage is much better when it's sunny, and I prefer that. So I'm standing in the shade right now, absolutely baking it today. Just gonna go towards this area, A10. I was gonna go towards Enfield, but I thought this place is closer, and plus it's going to be too long getting there in this heat as well. So I thought it's just better to just go a few stations up to Finsbury Park in the Victoria line. So this area is served by the Victoria line, so yeah. Just getting a nice shot in this area. It's just pretty difficult to get in this area because I'm limited to where I can stand, because there's not many open spaces here, and plus I'm trying to stand in the shade as well. So I was actually thinking of flying it before, but because there's limited open spaces here, that's why I didn't fly here. But I thought we've got a little open space here, a little car park, so that's why I sort of using that as an open space, essentially. So we'll go to the other side after, if I can find shade on that side, because otherwise I'll get baked by the sun. One of the hottest days in this year, 2026. At least we're getting a nice breeze, otherwise it will be really hot. And the problem is it's too humid in this country, so our sweat can't evaporate properly, and then we're just gonna overheat. We had a little park here, but I thought there was a lot of trees around, so it wouldn't have been an ideal place to take off from. Let's go towards this area down here. Nice little area to fly. Look at that. So go towards this area down there. I mean, if it was later in the day, then all this would be shadow. I mean, the good thing is that we do get more shadows when it's darker in the day, but then it's not good for our footage. And the good thing is that we're getting good shadows anyway, so. We've got a train coming here. The train go over underground anyway, a Victoria line. I don't even know where else I could fly, literally. Because I'm limited to where I can fly, and plus if I go out in the sun, it's going to be baking. Maybe I could just go a little bit ahead, that side, and then afterwards we'll go to the other side. So just go towards this area down here, we'll follow this bus, going to wherever it needs to go. And I was going to bring my camera, because usually I go around taking cinematic shots, but today I thought I'm going to take too much weight and it's going to be too hot. I thought I'm not going to bring my camera. I'll probably film these areas in a different day, separately. Oh yeah, look, this is Tottenham Hill. We're not far from Tottenham Hill, that's why it's called Tottenham Hill, because it's part of Tottenham. We're not far from Tottenham anyway. Seven Sisters is not far from Tottenham as well. So go down towards there. This little area down there. Get a shot of this area. Nice shots. I want to go towards the other side, so I'm going to walk towards here now. I want to go towards this side. Let's see if you can find a shadow here. Can you find a shadow here? Oh, not really. Let's quickly go down there and let's spend a minimal time in that area. There's a lot of green area down there. I was thinking of going down there, but there's no way to get there, separated by train lines, so that's why I'm taking off from here anyway. I've got a Wicks down there, that's near where I am. Look at that, we've got a abandoned buildings. You can hear that loud truck. What was that loud truck? I think it was a skip. As you can see that skip right there. That's yellow and blue thing. So you get a shot of that. It's actually so loud because it's so heavy. I have to use heavy machinery. Heavy, what's it called? I have to use a heavy truck. Anyway, let's go towards the area down there. Maybe I could do a third drone flap, but I'm not going to do it because it's too hot. Because it actually gets hotter. You think it gets hotter right now, but obviously the sun's stronger now, but it's going to get hotter later on because the sun's actually heating up the ground. and that heat rises, so towards the end of the day it's actually the hottest. That's what I'm getting over and done with now. And plus I'm starting to wake up earlier, which is good, because that means I get to leave the house earlier and get to these drone flights earlier. That's why I was able to get there at a reasonable time. Let's explore this area down here. There's tower blocks in this area. And we got a what's this area down there? Got some area down there. Let's go a little bit backwards so we can get a nicer shot. Getting absolutely baked by the sun, innit? Whatever is down there, I just want to see what's down there. Let's see what's down there in this area. Got a road down here as well. What area is this towards? Got a bus here as well. Another loud bus, it's a waste truck. So it's an industrial area down in there, in this area as well. Let's get a shot of that. It's amazing, isn't it? How you getting these shots. Let's turn back now. It's got a crane in this area as well. We're not going to go near that. We're going to see the construction in that area though. So you can see some construction happening here. Look at that. They're building something of some sort. And then we got a another construction happening here. London's getting gentrified. It's literally, there's something always being built in London. Always, like 24/7. Like, there's not going to be a time where there's nothing being built in London. Like, something is going to be built in London. So go towards that area. We've got to go through the. We've got to go that side then. Actually, there's more shadow down there, which is good. So I'm getting nice and shadowed in the seat. Shaded, I mean. What's in this area down here? Actually, we might go a bit further. We're still going behind lines. So, what area is this? Yeah, we're gonna go behind lines if you do that. So let's just face down till just come back here. So Wix is in this area down here. Where else can we get a shot of now? Should we go towards the other side? Let's go towards the other side quickly. Use the last of this battery in this area. Got train lines here. And after this we're going to land the drone because the battery's getting a little bit low. I wonder what's happening down there. It looks like there's a lot of stuff down there. It's like some dumping. Which isn't really too good. That should be cleaned up. We've got the train line. Got a lot of trucks running through here in North London. Nice little breeze. Yeah, pretty good. We should go towards Tottenham side actually. So could we do that still? I think Tottenham's towards that way. Should we do that quickly? I don't think we're gonna get there because there's a lot of stuff in the area. The drone's gonna go below the horizon. Not horizon, I mean what I can get a shot of. We can go towards it though. We've been here before anyway, so there's no point getting a shot of that, and I don't think we're gonna get there anyway. So I might just get a shot in this area. Let's go towards here and let's just explore the neighbourhood area before we land the drone. What's down there? There's a shopping place down there. No, it's not. It's just a little place. Anyway, I'm just gonna land the drone now. I'm gonna come back towards this area. We'll descend as we come down. Got a truck coming here as well. What's that? Anyway, we're just gonna land the drone now in this area. What we'll do is get a shot of this area down here quickly. So what else have we got down here? We've got a building here. Should go a little bit towards down there. Let's go a little bit towards down there. Just get a nice shot quickly. I think I'm gonna land the drone now. Yeah, we'll just land it. Oh, it's annoying beeping started now. Alright, let's just land it right here. Land it in sport. I'm not gonna land it in sports mode actually. I'm always going to keep it in normal mode because even though I can turn it off in time, sometimes I forget. That one time I forgot, I actually smacked it on the floor. And I keep saying that a lot of my drone flights, like it reminds you of, you know, this drone's literally like a little fan. Imagine I just forget my portable fan, I could just put my drone in takeoff mode and just blow it towards me, and then it's like a powerful fan. I mean, obviously I don't want to waste my precious drone battery and just use my drone up for no reason. Anyway, I'm going to end this drone flight now. I hope you enjoyed this video of me flying in North London, London Borough of Haringey, Seven Sisters. I hope you enjoyed this and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.